we go down to Venice Beach. You know where that's at? I know where that's at. I walk into that store like those motherfuckers know what's up. I walk up to that cashier, look into his eyes, and I ask him, got any sweet leaf? He's like, no, I do not got that sweet leaf. It's illegal. Get out of my store. So I'll be walking out of that store, spot an alleyway to my left, and what I see down that alleyway, I'll tell you, it was a dealer with some sweet leaf, and then I walk down up to him, so I go ask him if he got some sweet leaf, but it's pretty obvious that he does, so if he lies, you know, like, that's a lie, you know, that's like a sin, you know, yeah, so then he hands me some sweet leaf. He asks me for a 20, I got a 50, so I just buy double and leave him a 10. So I walk down to the beach, find a nice place in the shade, and I've got my lighter and got my sweet leaf too. So I light it up and I go for a ride.